Hey everybody, today I'm going to get started on making my first ever bread knife, and I'm going to take you guys along for the process and share all my failures and successes and see what happens. I'm starting this off with one of my normal 8-inch chef's knife blanks, and I'm just going to trace out a different pattern similar to other bread knives I've seen. So I'm going to just have an offset blade with the handle above the blade with a little curve towards the tip. And then it'll be narrow enough that it'll be able to slide through bread. This is just a rough sketch that I have something to grind towards. I'm going to be doing most of the profiling on my 8-inch contact wheel with a 60 grit ceramic belt. Since the knife blank is already hardened, I'm going to have to keep dipping it in my water bucket to keep the steel cool to prevent ruining the heat treat. Now that I have the final profile done, I'm going to move over to the flat platen and start grinding the edge thinner. Here I'm just marking out the serrations using a Sharpie and a ruler. And now using my 3/4 inch small wheel attachment on a really low speed, I start cutting in the serrations. Well, unfortunately, that did not quite go how I was intending. These are not even at all, and they don't even feel sharp at all, so I guess I might just have to scrap it. Well, unfortunately, this project looks like it's going to come to an early end, so at least I didn't waste a bunch of really nice handle material before I screwed it up. But if I ever revisit it, I'll make sure I'll let you guys know, and thanks for coming along with this failure, and hopefully the next one will turn out better. Stay sharp.